Here we go, put it in. Yeah, good goal.
Good job, Vikings.
That's much better. Now you're awake.
Come on, now we can make a great start.
Come on, make it count now. No more goals to give away. Nice.
Yes, that's it,
There we
Vikings.
go, Chris. Then Lucas. Then Lucas.
You guys are doing great. Keep it up.
Stay close to receive. Yeah. And drop. Drop back.
Go, 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 go. Take it, Nate.
Good job, Kate. Stay with it. There you go.
Come on, Chris. Let's go. Take him on. Take him on.
Way to go. Lucas. Go, Kate.
Go, that's a goal, Chris. Yeah. That's more like it. That's more like it. Well played. Good teamwork, guys. That's the way to work.
Yes, come on again.
Come on, come on.
Number two.
Stay sharp, guys. Stay sharp. One on the left. You're going to have to pass. There we go, Chris. That's yours.
Come on, Chris.
Great tackle.
Yes.
Go, go, go. Take
Get
it.
out, go.
Take it now. Take it.
Get this ball, Kate.
There's a shot. Now
Play
it's a
together. Play together.
Yeah.
Great.
shot. Now you open them up. You've got them flat. That's the way to do
Great.
it. It's easy. Well done. Nate, well done. Lucas, great tackling. Well done.
Good job, Vikings. Come on.
We're working as a team. Here we go. We're going to win this as a team. Don't watch them.
Hold on.
Go
Easily.
left. Go, Chris.
Back.
Run it, run it, run it.
On your toes.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Run it, okay? When you're free, run at them.
Now you guys are playing your game.
Well done.
Yeah, that's the Vikings play.
Good job, guys.
Number one, Carson. You know where this is going.
Come on. Nice tackle. Go, 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 Nate. Go,
That's
go.
up.
Push it with you. Oh, unlucky, unlucky. Unlucky.
Reset. Reset. Reset, Lucas.
Turn around, turn around. Chris,
Krish, left
Chris.
side.
push up.
Left side. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, come on. One of you. Don't let them out of their half. There we go. There's a goal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great pressure. Well done, Nate.
Carson, you got to
Keep the pressure on their half.
Nate, drop back. Lucas, come up.
Stay in the middle, girls. Good job,
And tackle hard, Nick.
Right side,
Stay
Lucas.
left,
Right
Nick. Stay
side.
left. That's
Go,
good.
Lucas.
Okay, Lucas. Nate, get it taken. Get it taken. Nate. Great ball. What a great ball.
Yeah.
Great ball, Lucas.
Good job, Nick.
Great ball, Nick.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Awesome. Really good thinking, guys.
Good job,
It's
Nick.
that easy. That's what you have to do. Stretch them out. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
Don't watch him doing things. You've got to get the ball to do things.
Go, Lucas.
Get back, get back, get back. Get back. Good go.
Nice move. Hey, Carson, good left foot.
Guys, we're going to tackle. We have to tackle. Don't go to sleep now.
Good left foot. Good playing.
Keep that good work.
Carson,
Finish this game.
Good, Kate. Good. Carson.
Don't do the same thing. Here we are, Lucas. That's your goal.
That's all right.
Unlucky.
Hey, on that tap and shoot, you have to follow it.
Who's playing left? Nick.
Switch side. Switch
Go,
side.
switch. One of you.
Quick.
No, 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 no.
Go, 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 go. Good tackle. Go, Nate. Take it, take it, take it. Shoot. Unlucky. Well done.
Well done. Well
Sort
done.
out your position.
Beautiful.
Nick, you're playing
Good.
left.
Good, Lucas. Good cover.
Nick, you're playing left. Go, go. Run him down, Lucas.
There you go.
That's it.
Nice passing, girl.
Well done. Put pressure on him.
Quickly, Carson.
Let's go. Make space. Get away from the blue. Nick, in front. In
Tap
front.
the ball. Tap.
Nice goal.
That's it.
Nice goal.
All right, girls.
Nick, get in front of them, all right, son? You're playing awesome. Well done, guys. Great goal, Nate.
Bodies in front. That's
No more easy goals.
Go, Lucas. Go, Lucas.
Lucas, don't step.
So she's going to have to run.
Good play, Carson.
Remember, body, not the ball. Hey, find someone to mark. Find someone.
That's good, guys. That's good.
Good try, guys. All right, girls. Keep it up. Keep it
Your side, Lucas. Nick.
Nick. Nick.
Here.
Nick, let's go. This is going to be your ball. Left wing, here. We can't pick you up here.
Okay, again.
Set up.
Good play,
Nate.
Carson.
Look where Nick is.
Oh, tap the ball. Don't worry.
Nick, look where Nick is. Nick, go. Great, get back, Nick. That's yours, Nick.
Nick, go, Nick, go, Nick.
Run him, run him.
Go, go, follow.
Good job.
Pick up blue shirt back there, Nick.
Get wide, Carson, get wide.
There we go, there we go. Well done, guys.
Alexander, simple pass.
Nick, come get the ball.
Good, Carson.
Nick,
Fast, fast.
come get the ball.
Okay, Carson, that's your ball, honey.
Now go in the middle, Nick. There we go, there's your goal. Yeah.
Nice job, guys.
That's how you're going to
Very well
lose them, they won't pick you up. Pull off, okay?
3v3 all year?
Good running.
Excuse me. Do you guys play 3v3 all year?
No, here they play 6v6, but
Watch the running. Tackle, tackle, tackle.
yeah, they play together. This boys they start 1 year.
Nate, he's
ago
with you. Take it,
playing
Nick. Nick,
together.
take this up. Then watch. Someone's got to tackle.
As you can see, they have 1,000 coaches. We are all parents coaching all the time.
Come on. Let's get it taken. Faster. Go.
Ah, stay up, Lucas.
Come on back here. Nick.
Go. Drop, Nate. Drop faster, Nate. So, okay.
Come on.
Drop back.
Nick. Go in the middle. Go in the middle, Nick. Go.
Back, Carson.
He's on him.
Good goal. Let's go. Well played. Well drawn, guys. That's the way you're going to do it. Pull him and let it go.
Hey, number 1 to Carson.
Stay low.
Ah, come on.
Good left foot.
Bad tackle, bad kick, Lucas. Come on, guys. You can't give goals like that
Run through
away.
it, girls, as soon as you touch it.
Come on, Vikings. Come on.
Coming around. Let's go. Give it. Come on, Chris.
Go, Alex. Get up there, Carson.
Nice. Go take it on now, Chris.
Good
That's
go,
nice.
Carson.
Oh, nice, Nick. Nice. Unlucky.
Tackle her.
Get back. Well done,
On
Chris.
the body.
Well done,
Perfect,
well done,
Lucas.
well covered.
Perfect.
Now, Chris, stay there until Lucas gets back.
Good job, ladies. Keep it up.
Alexander, Mark 12.
On your toes.
The game ball.
Alexander, Mark 12.
It's,
Get in front of it. Stay on it.
no, put the ball.
Come on, let's get tackle. Kick it away, Chris. Well done.
Good play, Carson.
All right.
Get ready, Matt.
Good playing.
Rush, Carson. Rush.
Come on, let's tackle. Come on, Chris. Take it, Chris. Come on.
Don't just tap the ball.
Take it on, Chris. Go. There we go. Come on, put it in. Go left, Lucas. Let's keep the ball. Someone's in here, Lucas, let it go. Well done.
Okay, hold on.
Good playing.
Shane,